everyone and welcome to SETU100. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to explain Shape Explorer project. So first of all, have a look of the output. If I make a click on Pentagon, so as you can see, it is drawing a pentagon over there. If I make a click on circle, it is drawing a circle over there. If I make a click on hexagon, then it will draw the hexagon over there. So this is absolutely working fine with the help of Pan Interactor. So we are going to work with it. So for that one, I have opened a student link. You have to make a click on see inside and let's open it up over here. So first of all, we are going to add a background. So to add a background, you have to make a click on background section because I want to draw something. That is why I am taking a blank background, which is a blue sky too. So if you make a click on it, it will be added like this. Now after that, I need some sprites because in this link, no sprites is available. So I'm going to take the sprite from here, choose a sprite section. So to draw, I'm going to take a star to draw. So let's write it down and take this star to draw and going to work as a pan pointer over there. Now after that, I want the buttons. So I'm going to take a first button. So here I have added a button. Let's drag this button at the left hand side. Now you have to go to the part of costume. Make a click on a costume. Here you can see two costumes are available in which I'm using this each one. I don't want this one, so I just get deleted. Now I'm using a text and I'm going to change the color of the text, that is black. And here I'm going to write it down. Pentagon, the first button. Now, similarly, I'm going to create a duplicate and keep it on the another side, which is the right hand side. And here I'm going to write it down. That is hexagon. That is the second button. Now here we want to make a third button with the help of a paint window, which will be a very simple one. Now here I'm going to make selection of a circle and I'm going to make a black color of circle over here like this. Now you have to drag it down. You have to drag it down on the backdrop like this and try to keep it in the middle, like in that form. Then make selection of a text. And of course, the black is not visible on the black. So I'm just going to change the colors and take it the white one. And here I'm going to write it down. That is circle. Like this. And I can make it big to make it visible and keep it in the center like this. So 3 buttons are completed. Now I'm just going to make a click on a code. Now over here, one by one, we will make the codes for that. But for that, because here we want to draw the geometrical shapes that we want a pan and extension code. So you have to go left hand side at the bottom. There is an option of extension. Make a click on an extension and over here you have to take a pan. Okay. Now let's get started to write down the codes. So first I'm going to write down the codes for the pentagon. So if this sprite is getting clicked, so you have to take the first code. When this sprite is getting clicked, it's going to broadcast a message. So it's going to broadcast a first message that is the pentagon. So I'm going to write it down. Pentagon over here. Like this and click. Now this message is received by the sprite star. So you have to make a click on a star. And from here you have to take, when I receive a pentagon, then it will get started working. Now, once it is receiving a pentagon, how it is going to get started of working, we have to make that. So once at a time, only one operation needs to be performed on the screen. So that is why from the control, there is an option of stop all. You have to take it. And in the drop-down list of all, you will get an option of other script in the sprite that you need to stop. So whatever is written over there, that is going to be stopped and it is going to be working with the pentagon sprite as only. Now after that, you have to settle down from where you have to make it. So I'm going to take this point anywhere and going to take from motion and let's keep it the position. Now after that, you have to go pen and you have to do like erase all, because whatever is there on the backdrop, that should be erased first. Then you have to set the pen width, then at that I'm taking a 5. Then you have to set the pen color, that I am taking the dark blue. Then you have to set a pen down like this. So it's going to be start writing of something. Now let's go to control and take a repeat loop over here. Now, because it is a pentagon, so pentagon geometrical shape has the 5 sides over there. So it's going to be repeat 5 times. The total angle is 360. So if you divide 360 by 5, there is an angle of 72 degree to make a pentagon. So that is why you have to take move 100. You can make it 50, you can make it 40, whatever, how much big pentagon you want to make. It depends on that. So it's not, if you don't want to take 100, you can take a 70 like this. Now after that, I'm going to make a turn, which is the angle one, that I'm taking 72, because 360 divided 5 is equals to 72, like this. Now, in between of them, it needs to take us some time. So here you have to put it that you are going to take it 0.5 and just create a duplicate, and that you have to take it 0.5. So at this point, the first part has been completed. Let me show you. If I make a click on pentagon, see, it's going to draw a pentagon over there like this. This is complete. Now after that, we have to make this option for the hexagon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make selection of a hexagon, and from here you have to initiate the things. So when this is sprite click, it is going to broadcast the hexagon. So you have to make a new hexagon like this. And then you have to go to start, and I can create the duplicate of a complete code and make it converted into the hexagon like this. So when I receive a hexagon, it's going to add the other script in the sprite. Then what we need to do, then we have to select the position from where it needs to start. So I'm going to change the position a little bit. So let's go to motion and take this one. Then erase all, and if you want to change the color, even you can change the different colors over here. So I just take it up a red one. If you want to make it same, you can make it same. Now here in the calculation, you have to make little bit changes. As the hexagon represents the 6 sides, so it will going to change it up to 6 sides. And I'm making a movement of 70 steps, but the 360 divided by 6 is equivalent to 60, not 72. So this time you have to take a 60. Now let's see it is working or not. So let me make a click on hexagon. See, it's deleted everything, whatever is there on the screen. And now it is going to draw a hexagon. So this is the perfect hexagon it is drawn back. So this is also working. Now the last, that is the circle. So of course, you have to repeat the same code when this is sprite. So I'm just going to copy and paste it over there. So let me drag. You can drag it, keep it on the sprite and drop it. So it's going to be copy like this, and I'm just going to make a new message broadcasting, that is circle, that is going to be received by the star itself. So here I'm just going to duplicate a complete option, and this time we will going to give an option to circle. So let's change it to circle. Other scripts is going to be deleted, and let's take a circle, make a point like in between of something. So here I'm just going to change it a little bit. Let's take this one a letter. Going to little bit. Here I can change the color again. So this time I'm going to take a little bit dark, that is the green color. And because it is a circle, so it is a 360 degree complete rotation. So that is why what you need, you just need to make it a one step, not so, because you don't want to draw anything. So that is why you have to take a one step, and anti-clockwise you have to take a 1 degree. And it is going to repeat it 360 times to draw a circle. So let's see. If I make a circle, it's going to draw it not. So it's erase the things and see it is creating a circle over there. So I think this is working fine. Now at the point, once it is drawing over there, you have to keep one point where you want to erase everything. So what I'm going to do, let's take a green flag, and from the pen, I'm going to attach a erase all. So if you click it, it's going to erase all, and you can draw anything, whatever you want to draw, and it's going to follow your instructions. So I hope you're getting the concept how we can use the pen to draw the mathematical geometrical shapes over there by keeping these calculations over there, how we are using the pen colors and everything over there. So this is the in this project we are covering the concept of pen extension and also geometrical shapes. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you by the next time. Bye bye.